Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can automatically convert Word document to PowerPoint as you see here. Directly it converted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's start. For example, I have this text. I prepared the text length to fit with the PowerPoint slides as you see here. Now just select all or Control A or Control A. Okay. Then from here, for example, heading 2. Okay. Then select each heading. Heading 1, this one, heading 1, this one, heading 1, this one, heading 1, heading 1, heading 1. Now, again, Control A, change back color to black. Good. Okay. Now, from here, right click, customize quick access toolbar. Good. Search for, from here, select popular or all commands. Then, search for send to PowerPoint. Then, send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Select it and add. OK. Now we added this option, send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Click it. Enable editing. You see, directly we have 6 PowerPoint. You can change it as you want. That's all. Have a nice day.